people, and welcome back to my channel. I am LaDonna J. If you are new, hello, hi, welcome. I am LaDonna J. I do videos on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. If you are not new, hey y'all, what's going on? How y'all doing? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell as well. And don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram while you at it. For today's video, this is our vlogmas vlog. I told you guys I was going to be switching it up, not doing vlogs like consistently. I was going to be throwing in different types of holiday videos for you guys. So this will be a easy and affordable holiday look for you guys that I went ahead and created. And when I say affordable, y'all, I mean affordable. Why? Because I use samples. Yes, I did use samples. It's the holiday season. We kind of broke because we've been buying gifts, and you know, if you're like me, everybody that I know, birthday is during the holiday season. Wintertime is the most stressful time for me. So if you're anything like me, you got to be saving some coins. So I used all the samples that I have collected from Sephora and all these makeup places that I shop. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. It was super simple, super easy. And I do want to inform you that this is just not for the holiday season. You guys can wear this as your everyday makeup. Whatever the case may be, that's how simple and affordable it is. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. Hello, beautiful people. So we're starting off with a bare face. But first things first, we need to pin this hair back. I will link for you guys the video where I did apply this wig. Also with the details and everything would also be listed down below for you guys. So once that is pinned back and out of our face, we're good to go. So eyebrows are already done. Super simple. I just did the front strokes. But we're going to prime our face with some Calamine lotion and our Milk Hydo Grip primer. We want a matte, flawless face. So going in with the Milk Hydo Grip primer first, spreading this all over my face, getting it where it needs to go. Not getting it where it needs to go, placing it where it needs to be, which is all over my face. I am an oily person, as you can see. We have that bounce back, so it is tacky, meaning it's time to go in with the Calamine lotion. You just need a little bit of this. A little bit goes a long way. Shake it up, get them ingredients all mixed up or whatever. Now you're going to take a little dot, put it on the back of your hand. Like I said, a little bit goes a long way. So I'm just going to take that, smear it up, then I'm going to place it in my T-zone, the places where I'm the most oiliest. I'm an oily person. I like a matte base, so this is why I use this. I don't use it every day, only on special occasions. So yes, if you are going to use this, use it only on special occasions, not every day, y'all. So I'm just placing this in, I'm placing it on my forehead, my nose, the sides of my nose because I have large pores, and then my chin. Those are the places where I get the most oiliest. So as you can see, I just placed it literally in my T-zone, forehead, nose, chin. Boom. So we are doing samples for foundation. I have so many samples, so we gonna use them. So I went to see which ones I had doubles of, and it was the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation. I didn't have a wide range of colors for this one, but I went in with the second to the darkest color that they had. I believe it's 10. That's all you get in a sample. But if you've been watching my channel for a while, then you know I'm not really a foundation girl. I'm a light coverage type of person. So that color is a no. So that color was definitely a no. And this is enough for me. Foundation wise, I made it work, as you guys will be able to see. And this color, way too dark. Yes or no? So then I had to look through my stash again. I had doubles of the Lancôme, so this had a wide range of colors, so I opted to go for this one. I went for the 4 darker ones, so I believe I'm going in with either 500 or 540 for the first one, to see which one works for me. I'm going to do a little test to see what color works best. maybe. I don't know what I was thinking. It's a no. I'm telling you now, that color is way too dark. Once I saw this color, I was like, it's a little on the light side, but we can make it work. Once you blend it in, it'll work out. I didn't know if it was going to oxidize or not. So I opted to go for this one, and I believe this is 500 if I'm not mistaken. So I'm just going to go in with that color. Obviously, I'm going to wipe that off because once I blended it in, way too dark. So, no. We're going to go in with some dots. This actually worked for my whole face, you guys. No cap. I made those 2 samples work for a full face. I did 1 sample for one side and 1 sample for the other side. So, and then I went in with a flat top brush and just blended that all out all over my face. So we're just going to blend, do the other side. I'm showing you guys this in real time. This look is super simple, y'all, and very, very affordable. So when I say affordable, I mean we're using samples and drugstore products. So we don't gotta break the bank because we're already doing that for Christmas gifts. So every little bit helps. So I'm just going in and blending that in so you guys can see I did a full face with just sample foundation and I got pretty much full coverage. So we good. Now I went in to see the concealers I had. I had 4 of them. I wanted to try the Anastasia Magic Touch concealer. I'm going to go in with 10. Ooh, and we. I don't know what I was thinking, but this is just way too light for me. We gonna make it work though because I did not go in with another color, but I will show you guys how I made it blend just a little bit. But yeah, I don't know what I was thinking, y'all. Don't judge me. It is way too light. But I'm going in with a brush to blend this all out underneath my eye. I guess I'm going for a very bright under eye. And a little bit went a long way with this concealer. I can tell you that. A little bit definitely went a long way. I also muted out my eyelids as well with that concealer. So now I'm going in with my Mercier Translucent powder. And then I'm going to go in with a Morphe sponge and dab off the excess and press that loose powder underneath my eye to set that concealer. I'm not really going to bake with it. I'm just pressing it in under my eye because it's already really, really light. So we don't need to bake. So I'm just going to go in to fix that with my face powder. I know it's crazy, but just trust the process. So I'm going in with the Mercier. Not the Mercier. I'm going in with the L'Oreal foundation. What, Madonna? Going in with the L'Oreal powder to set my face in the color Cocoa. And as you can see, that kind of brought some color back to my face. It's not as white. Now I'm going to bronze my face with Morphe Glamabronze in Phenom with an angled brush. This is going to give me back my color, make my features come out, make everything start to come together. Like I said, you got to trust the process with this. We're using samples, y'all, so we sampling stuff. So as you can see, we're getting our color back slowly but surely. I just wanted to let you guys know that this is an everyday makeup look. It doesn't just have to be for the holidays. You can wear this every day, special occasions, whatever you're doing. This is how simple and easy and quick it is. So I'm just going to go in and slim this nose down just a little bit. Then I'm going to go in with Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami with a dense dome brush and focus this on my crease area. Build up that color as much as I can with that. And then I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush and buff out those edges to make it look blown out. Be like a fade or gradient type of look, as you guys can see. So that's what I'm just going to do. I cannot talk. Just going to buff that out. Jesus. in my crease area. And then I'm going to go in with this NYX matte powder, and this is in the color caramel, and I'm using a flat shader brush and just putting it on my lid. This is going to be not a matte look, but it's simple. I'm literally using 3 colors, and it's all drugstore. So it looks a little messy right now, but we are going to blend it in, make it seamless. Then I'm going to go into the L'Oreal Unzipped palette, and I'm going to use those 2 middle shades, those shimmer champagne colors, with my finger. Just dip them in both colors, and then I'm going to go with my finger and just dab it on my eye. Nothing crazy, just to give my eye a little bit of a pop, a little bit of a razzle dazzle, sparkle, you know. Then for blush, I'm going to go into the Juvia 2 palette, and that's Morocco, and I'm going to just place this on my cheeks. I'm not really a blush person, but I felt this look needed some blush, and so I'm just applying that, and I think it definitely tied in the look. So yeah, I love an orange on my complexion. I get a lot of compliments, and I can't see y'all, so I had to bring that mirror in just a little bit. And we're going to do a little baby wing. I'm not going to do a full wing, like connecting it all the way to my inner corner, because I have small hooded eyes, so I don't want to close off my eye, or not for you guys not be able to see the lid color or the shadow. So I'm just going to go in with the liquid eyeliner from NYX and just do a baby wing. And then I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Skyhigh mascara. I have no eyelashes, but it helps my fake eyelashes stick. Boom, eyelashes are on. These are number 5 from AliExpress. And I also put that mascara on my bottom lashes as well. So for this lip combo, whenever y'all see me with a lipstick on with color, this is what it is. It is a brown, dark brown lip liner. This is from, I believe, the hair store. It's the Kiss retractable lip liner in dark brown. I fill in my lips majority except for the center. Then I'm going to go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Honey lipstick, and I'm going to place that in that center area where there was no lipstick. And then I'm going to go in with some lip gloss. This is the Morphe, I forget what color it is, but I'll link it down below. Put that on top of the honey. We're not done there. We're going to go in with Cinnamon Roll from NYX, the butter gloss, and this is going to make your lips pop, look super juicy, and just real plump. I'm going to put this all over, and then to tie everything in, I'm going to go back in with that lip liner and just, y'all can't tell me these lips don't look juicy and good. Comment and thumbs up this video because the lips is popping. And then I'm going to go in with my favorite setting spray, which is the Charlotte Tilbury. Spray your face down, get your fan, let it dry down, and boom, y'all done. Y'all looking flawless and cute. Bombshell burgundy ready. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until my next one, beautiful people, stay true, stay you, and stay positive. Bye.